So my mental health workshop, it goes in one, so the idea behind the workshop, it's one arch with 4 different elements. So this element right now is flex and reflect. So it's really about getting an idea to know who you are, and you're going to reflect. We're 8 months into the year. How did I do? Am I hitting what I thought I was going to be hitting at this time? And what is my next for the next 4 months so that I can prepare for the next year? So the idea is always about, okay, to next is about advancement. Maybe I want to do a next step, but maybe I'm thinking I'm okay, but to better is about refinement. So maybe this is the area which I would dig in a little bit deeper, look at it from a different lens. So as you do the exercises, you yourself can ask your questions. Is this an area that I want to advance in? Or is this an area that I would like to do a little bit more refinement to just, I need some tweaks? And what are those tweaks? So one of the big things is that a lot of people are always thinking about are their resources. Resources is not just about finances, it's also about who are the people that are supporting you? Do we have the right tools? Do I have the knowledge? Do I need to get more knowledge? Who can I reach out to ask for further support? So these are the things that we look at to move forward with. So I guess that would be the evening and the agenda flow. So I'm just looking here to make sure I hit all the points. So let us start with activity number 1. So activity number 1 is I have 3 stations. There's a flex, there's a reflect, and there's a move. So around each of the boxes, I have some questions that are reflecting of that area, and the questions are more or less to bring you a little bit more to yourself. So I have it in a challenge. This is like thanks to Stacy. She gave the passport challenge so that I can have more of the networking part of the event. And so what we're going to do, I do have the pens over here, but my books are over here, so it's okay. You guys have to move. So I have some pens, I have some passports. The passports are some blank papers. You're going to take the passport, you're going to start at any station that you want. I have it set up a little bit differently, but it's okay. So we're just going to do it with ourselves. And so you can find some stickers, you can put them on your passport. There's a keychain that you can add to the passport. I think I had a passport here, but I put them all over there. There's some stickers that you can put on when you think that you've hit all the questions and the challenges that are there. And then we can either discuss them or we could just do a reflection exercise as a wrap-up as we're eating. Does that sound good? Okay, thanks. Okay, so let us start with the flex part of the evening.
Okay, should I say God? Oh my God, is that